Wait, put it back, Sheesh. And really? What else has happened? Is that how your day went? Well, tell Nana. And what happened at the and who did what? But who? And what else happened?
Let go. Tell her.
What happened? Really? They did? And what did they say? Okay. Well, then I guess the day is over with. Is your day ended? Now you finna give Shanice the blues? You gonna give her the blues? Okay. You up and you ready to go? Okay. What do you want to tell everybody else? You want... Okay. That's Nana, sweetie. Shanice, do something with that hair.
I did do something to it.
Do something else, because whatever you did is just not working.
Yeah.
Okay.
La, 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 la. Look, tell her. Here, tell her.
Night-night, fat. Tell Nana night-night.
Look.
Nana DG night-night. Okay.
Get your hands out your mouth.
All right.